In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google on Hisense TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Google on any Hisense TV is extremely simple. It is essentially built into it, and you can navigate through Google or any other website. So to do this, you need to open the web browser on your Hisense TV. Regardless of the model, it is going to be available under My Apps. So from the home screen, go over to My Apps, and then you will find Browser. You can find it under all of the applications, so if you go all the way down, and you can add it into the home screen if you use it often. So all that you have to do is open Browser. Inside of Browser, the very first thing that you see here should be Google. If you don't see Google on these bookmarks on a new tab, then all that you have to do is use the search function and then type out using your keyboard, Google. Then, once you access google.com, you will be able to search for anything that you'd like. So you can search specific queries or go to a particular website. They will even have a www ready to go here. So visit any web page using your Hisense TV. All that you have to do is open the web browser, and inside of your web browser, Google is going to be available immediately under the bookmarks of the home page. Like I said before, if it is not here, then you can use the search function at the top and go directly to google.com or type your specific query. It is simple to do and it should work on any modern Hisense TV. Of course, for this, you will need an active Wi-Fi connection, so if you haven't set up a network, go over to the settings and do so now, otherwise you won't be able to connect to the internet. This is just like using a PC or a smartphone to browse through websites. With all of that said, I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google on your Hisense TV. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.